Hello guys, Steve here, RC. I got something in today. I'll show you guys. I want to thank my buddy Adam at Adam's Playground, his YouTube channel. Check it out. If you haven't seen it, I'll link it below. He contacted me and said, I found something he thinks I would need. And I'm like, oh. And he told me what it was. And it was on like a closeout. And I thank him for doing that because I sure did need it. So let's open it up and see what's inside here. It's good to have your RC buddies from YouTube. They always got your back. So here they are. He knows I have the mini Lossy, the truck, the JRXT, and he knows I have like almost bald tires for my videos, and these are expensive. I think they were $24 a set. Believe it or not, he told me they were on sale. $6.35 each. So I got 2 pairs. That's awesome. I also want to talk about the discontinued RCs here. But anyhow, you can see my tires are running low. So thanks, Adam, for giving me the tips on where to find these bad boys. I appreciate it. So another thing I wanted to talk about here is discontinued RCs. I hate when they do this. I think these only came out a couple years ago. Already discontinued. I'm so pissed. I like these. These are awesome little buggies. They drive like 1/10 scale cars. And it's not only that. I know Lossy does it a lot. They'll make something and a couple years later it'll be discontinued. A lot of people do that. Arma's not as bad, but they do it, but they switch the truck up, but it's still like not the same. And Associated, all of them do it too quick because you get cars like this and you have them for a couple years and then all of a sudden they disappear. And I have to say, I don't have any Traxxas now. I used to have a bunch of Stampedes, a Bandit. What did I have back in the day? Emax, a Summit, T-Max, a Nitro Stampede, and something else I had from them. Oh, I had my the TRX4 crawler, and I'm sure I had other stuff from like mini stuff. I think I had a mini Summit and E-Revo and all them things. And I have to say, I give 2 thumbs up to Traxxas because if you got an RC from them, most 90% of them, 95% of them are still around, or you could get parts no matter what. Even, I got Stampedes from the 90s. They're still making them. So you could get parts, you could get new ones. And that's what I like about Traxxas. And it's kind of sad that no other companies do that. Like if I was to spend a lot of money, like on a big truck or something, and it was like $600, $700, if you went with a Traxxas, at least hopefully most of the time, almost all the time, you get your truck, you could get the parts for like the longest time. They don't do like these other companies 2-3 years discontinue it on you. It's sad they do that. And that's why I like Traxxas for that. So if I ever get like a basher again, I think I'm gonna go with a Traxxas because all the other companies, you put a lot of money into the hobby and then they just up high and dry and pull a rug out from under your feet, and then you don't have no service for the RC anymore because they're not making it and they stop making stuff. Then you have to try to find it, and it's hard. Like even the Kyoshos, I have old Kyosho RCs. You can't even find parts for them. You have to search and search on like eBay. It drives you nuts. So I don't know. I think if I ever get another basher, I'm gonna maybe get a Traxxas next time. I don't know. I'm not sure. It just stinks that these companies just throw you under the bus and get rid of everything so fast. And I think that's wrong to do. I don't know why they do it. I guess they want to pump out more cars and stuff, but it's sad when you can't get parts for stuff anymore. But anyhow, that's my little gripe. And I want to thank Adam again. Check out his channel. It's linked below, Adam's Playground. Thanks, Adam, for giving me the tip on these beauties. You can't beat them for what was it? $6.35. Got 2 sets, so I should be able to rip. Luckily, I think, hold on a second, guys. I think I got something. Oh, yeah. Luckily, I got a set for my buggy for the rears, a new set that I didn't use yet. So that's good. And now I'm all set up. I can actually run this. I used to run this one in the street a little bit and I'd wear out the tires. So now I could use these and have fun with it in the street, because I really didn't use them in the street at all. Maybe once or twice, just slow, because I feared the tires wear out so quick. I used to take it out in the ball field. So now I could run this one with these, I call them when they get smooth, baloney scuffs, when they get like bald and like slicks. And I could run it till it get the baloney scuffs on it, and then I could keep them for on-road. I got these beauties for off-road. So that's it. That's my gripe. These are awesome. Too bad they discontinued them. They were freaking cool as hell buggies. They run like 1/10 scales and they look bad to the bone. I don't know why they do this to us guys, but they do it. It's sad. There you have it. That's my package from Adam letting me know about the good deal they had on them beauties. And that's it for me. Maybe I'll have to get these out again soon. They're fun little buggers, and I made them brushless. If you didn't know, if you didn't see my channel, I got little brushless systems in them, so they're perfect. And that's it for me, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you all next time. Hopefully I'll get these out sometime soon when the weather gets a little warmer. And I appreciate you all. Leave a thumbs up and a like. It helps the channel out. If you're new, watching, subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss future videos. I'll see you guys next time. Sad that they discontinue the RC so quick. Boo hoo. Traxxas gets a thumbs up for not doing that. Later, guys.